Thank God, it's a Friday! Kamusta po kayo dyan? October 1 na po. Welcome po sa Friday edition ng the stock market today. At ilang araw na lang bago magpasko. 88, 87, 86 days na lang. Pasko na. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007, and I do this report every day, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa Aboitiz Power, kasama po ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw. Ika-1 ng Oktubre 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, so let's start with our financial headlines, courtesy of Video Securities. Macro news, alert level 4 in Metro Manila stays until October 15. Pero narinig ko kanina sa radyo, while I was outside, ay pati gym na rin po, bubuksan, ano po? Pero kailangan pa ng guidelines. Anyway, hanggang October 15, extended po, and I think yung mga restaurants will have greater capacity under alert level 4 with more lax restrictions, no? And then the second bullet is unemployment rate worsened to 8.1%, but job quality improves. Then BSPC September inflation breaching 5%. So tataas yung inflation rate, ano? So tataas yung interest rate. So yun po yung mechanism ng BSP. Pagka tumataas po yung inflation rate, they have to mop up excess liquidity, no? So they will have to adjust the interest rates rather. So in our sectoral news, MER plans to auction 70 megawatt supply contract. Then AP6 approval for the 12 million bond offer. This is our main news. Then lending grows in August after 8 months of decline. So we'll take a look at some of the banking stocks later. Telecom firms roll out mobile number portability service. And now let's go to our main news on Aboitiz Power. AP6 regulatory approval for fixed rate bonds from the business world. Aboitiz Power Corp said on Thursday that it had asked the Securities and Exchange Commission to approve the listed energy firms' issuance of up to 12 billion worth of fixed-rate bonds. The issuance forms the second tranche of its 30 billion securities under its shelf registration program. In its disclosure, Aboitiz Power said the second tranche is expected to be issued in the fourth quarter in 1 or 2 series and is intended to be listed with the local debt market. The proceeds of the bonds will be used to refinance the 2020 Series E bonds maturing in 2022, partially fund the equity contributions for the construction of the 74 megawatt solar power plant in Pangasinan Province, general corporate purposes, and other future renewable projects, the company said. It has appointed BDO Capital and Investment Corp, China Bank Capital, First Metro Investment, and Security Bank Capital Investment Corp as joint issue managers. Ito yung mga underwriters, ano? Joint lead underwriters and joint book runners for the issuance. It has also assigned BDO Unibank Inc. Trust and Investments Group to be the trustee. Last week, the company's board of directors gave the green light for the issuance of the second tranche of the 30 million bond issuance. Okay, so that's good news for Aboitiz Power and fixed rate bonds, ano? Kung gusto po ninyo, magkano kaya ang indicative rate nito? Wala pa, no? Wala pa. Anyway, tingnan natin si Aboitiz later. This is good news kasi more funding for the company. And for the stock, I think the effect of that is positive. Now, let's take a look at what happened to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So, tignan po natin kung ano nangyari. Ano kaya ang closing nito? Okay, the Philippine Stock Exchange Index lost 29.28 points or 0.42%. So, net-net, tumaas pa rin siya, no? Kasi 0.42, 0.27 last time, and the other day it was up 0.71 points, no? Or 0.71%. Pero, napapansin nyo po ay it follows the blue line o yung ating moving average na medium term na that's acting as resistance, but our indicators are still under the candlesticks, which would indicate a still bullish index. Okay? So yung ating market summary naman, 103 companies advanced, 86 declined, while 53 remained unchanged. The all-share index also, well, it moved up actually, 0.02% or 0.67%, almost flat. Ito kasi 0.42 is almost flat also eh. Or 29, hindi yan flat. Kasi yung flat is mga halos walang gain or loss eh. Pero ito, 0.67, konting-konti lang, no? Flat yung all-share index natin. Yung sectoral indices naman, financials, industrials, mining, and services ended in the green, while the holding companies and properties ended in the red. The gainers was led by mining at 1.25%, while the ones in the red, properties, led the losers at 1.14%. So net, yung ating index, all-share index gained, but the all shares ended flat, while the index ended down at 0.42%. Okay, so let's take a look at the following. We will be reviewing MREIT, FGEN. Let's take a look at some of the power companies, SCC, AP, then BDO, BPI. Let's take a look at RRHI and MREIT. Listing date niya today, ano? So, tignan natin kung ano nangyari kay MREIT. Okay, so let's start with MREIT. Si MREIT is also bullish, ending at 297, although it lost 1 peso today. So, yung ating mga candlesticks ay nasa ilalim, which means that the stock has been bullish since August 11. So it started to move up last August 11. At let's take the EMA 50 as our support for the stock. So EMA 50 is at 287.73 actually, pero 288 po. When we talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. However, yung kanyang resistance ay nakikita ko po dito sa level na ito. Yan. Actually, 297, 298 po ang resistance level. So, ito po ay nasa resistance na po yung closing price niya today. And then FGEN, si FGEN ay, well, bullish pa rin, although nagkaroon ng profit taking today. Napapansin nyo yung ating candlestick ay nasa ilalim pa rin, but the candlesticks began to have some body, no? So starting here, September 23 ay lumalaki na po yung candlestick, meaning nagkakaroon na po ng trading on the stock. In the meantime, let's take the support at EMA 20 at 31 or almost 32 pesos. Yun po ang pinaka-support level ni FGEN. And then Aboitiz Power. Aboitiz Power has been moving down, but what happened today is that it gained 65 centavos. So, yung kanyang pinaka-support nandito po sa area to, nasa 29.60 po. So it's holding support here, and kung mapapansin ninyo, nagkaroon po ng bounce dito sa 20-day EMA, no po? With resistance here at this level, mga 3380 yung resistance level ni Aboitiz Power. Support is at 2960. Pagka sinabi po nating support and resistance, hindi po yan eksakto. These are areas. And then, si BDO naman, actually, dapat ang financials should make a headway para tuluyan ng tumaas yung ating index, ano? Kasi yung power is moving up naman So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung BDO ay unti-unting tumataas. Hindi siya abrupt, no? Pero right now it's moving sideways. But if you'll take a look, yung long-term indicator natin ay in general slightly going up since May. So unti-unting tumataas na po ang BDO stock. Although nakikita natin, in general, it has been moving sideways. So we will take MO100 as our support at 110. While resistance, ang pinakamalapit po ay nandito sa area to. Nasa 116 to 117 po ang resistance level ni BDO, moving sideways to bullish. RSI is, well, lackluster, 49 na, neither bullish nor bearish. Then, another stock na undervalued, no? Ito yung RRHI. Yan. So, pumipick up na si RRHI. Actually, yung support niya, nandito po sa area to. And it began to pick up in the past 2 days, ano? Ngayon, at saka kahapon. And the closing price is now under or above our moving averages, which would make our stock bullish. RSI is bullish at 69. In the meantime, yung support level niya is 49. Lagay po natin sa 49. And the resistance level ay pinakamalapit po sa area to sa 54. Okay? Then, tingnan natin si MREIT. Ito po yung yan. Actually, 16 ano ba yung IPO price niya? Sorry nakalimutan ko na 6 ano lang yun 6. Tingnan natin yung minutes, 15-minute chart. So it started at low 610 lang to yung MREIT. Pero it opened at 1612, no? So biro nyo kung nakabili kayo at IPO price. So tama nga ba? 612 lang yung MREIT So let me check Check lang po natin kung magkano po yung IPO price. Okay, 1610 po yung IPO price. So nasa 1670 na po, no? So it opened at 1612. And now it's 1670, gaining 60 centavos today, or 3.73% up. So, well, just the first day, no? But in general, REITs are moving up. So, kung titingnan nyo po yung A-REIT, ito yung pinakaunang REIT Yan po, bullish po siya. At yung RCL pala. RCL nga ba? Tama nga ba? RCR naman, yan, bullish din, no? Natin sa 1 day. Bullish din siya. Yan, pero several days lang to Pero ang nauhuli is the DDMPR. Nauhuli to Yan, no? Kasi 225 po yung IPO price, but it's now at 181. Tapos yung PhilREIT is yan 732, higher than the IPO kasi yung IPO niya ay PhilREIT IPO at 7 pesos. 7 pesos po yung IPO, so it gained 32 centavos. So ang nanguli lang talaga is the Double Dragon REIT. Okay po, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-1 ng Oktubre 2021, bagong buwan, bagong pag-asa. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala, mag-ingat sa COVID, mag-ingat sa scam. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at hanggang sa muli. Happy weekend. God bless. Bye for now.